Technology, it's a boon as well as a bane. It is true with every aspect, not only just with academics, it is true everywhere. So, of late, again, what I have observed is that the young lot, this young mind, they're trying to take the negative side of the technology over them. You see, there are many good softwares like nowadays people talk of chat gpt and all. I've seen young researchers and young scientists, what they have started doing is every time they have a query in mind, they'll just type down the query in chat gpt and the related softwares, and they'll get hold to the answer. This used to be not the scenario when I guess 10 or 15 years back, when we started a research career with. You got to worry about a query, you will have to do extensive research about extensive digging about whatever you intend to find. But now, obviously, I'm not saying that chat gpt is not of a good use, and I'm not saying that. But yes, a limited use of the technology will add on to your whatever you want to proceed with. But immense dependability on this technology is going to definitely take you towards a direction which is undesirable. So that is one good point. And with respect to diversity, like you have talked, there are plenty of forums, workshops, conferences where you get to meet diversified people, where you get to meet people of different background, be it globally, be it nationally. You get to meet around plenty of people. This is my, again, on all my total experience, that research is a collaborative effort. I told you I've guided 7 people by now, but it is not a single handed job. Had it been collaborators, had it been the scholars would not have been there, it would not have been possible. So the conferences, the workshops, the seminars, these are the platforms where basically researchers can depend upon. And obviously the outcome of these conferences or seminars is research article for a scholar. And what people have started again getting into is, you must have heard about publishing in a traditional manner, publishing in an open access manner. And open access, in order to get hold to your document quickly in the market, it demands money. They charge you some for that matter. So it depends entirely on you how much the firm, the organization you are associated with, it is helping you out in getting hold to the open access journals and all, and how much supportive they are to you for getting hold to the traditional journals. So it is, yes, entirely an independent and individual's job. There is no peer pressure on anyone that you have to publish in the traditional journals only, or you have to publish in the open access journals only. So it is entirely an open platform for everyone.